Joined shortly by BJP MP Manoj Kotak, who in fact is the one who's written a letter to the INB Minister against this series. Payal Rodgi is also going to be joining us shortly, a well-known actor. Manvi Taneja, actor, is also live with us on the broadcast. Lalit Ambardar, political analyst, is also joining us live. Faizan Karim, filmmaker, is live with us. Stuti Ghosh, RJ and film critic, is also joining us live. Major Mohammad Ali Shah, actor and political analyst, is also with us on the broadcast. Deshat Nigam, political analyst and supporter of the RSS, is also joining us on the program. Welcome all of you and thank you so much for being with us today. Yes, Mohammad Ali Shah. Mohammad Ali Shah, you know, your of course response to what Deshat Nigam has said, you wanted to respond to him earlier too. And your take on this Tandav Rao, do you believe that it's gone a bit too far, it's polarizing, it's controversial, or do you believe that everyone has a right to depict what they want in a film and in a web series? They have that creative liberty.
Uday, I'll tell you one thing, you know, I'm a Muslim and I believe, unless and until I do not respect the other community or anyone else's faith or belief, others would not respect my faith and my belief as well. So I think we should be very careful when we touch upon the religious faith of any community, irrespective. When we depict a community, they are very, very touchy about that. As per, we mentioned about the Constitution of India, under the Article 19(1)(a), it clearly states that there is restriction, there is freedom of speech, yes, but as Deshat Nigam correctly mentioned about restricted freedom over there, yes, there is restricted freedom. Also, there is right to freedom, which guarantees citizens of India 6 fundamental rights. Those are freedom of speech and expression, freedom of assembly, freedom to form association, freedom of movement, freedom to reside and settle, and freedom of profession, occupied, trade, or business. Now, restricted freedom, what does that mean? Restriction, it means that my freedom of expression is permitted until and unless I do not end up hurting the sentiments of somebody else. But here, unfortunately, and I feel sorry about that, it somehow, for whatever reason it is, it has hurt the sentiments of people. So I will not support hurting anyone's sentiments. Now, having said that, I do not believe that the filmmaker's intention was to hurt any community. Nobody would do that. Nobody would try to polarize it over there. No. You know, I'll give an example. I'll equate it with a film that I was doing called Moji in Kashmir. I have served in the army and I was playing the role of a terrorist in this film. Now, in the film that I tried to be released, Moji means mother. Now, there was a scene, it's anti-terrorism, it really rebukes terrorism, which rightly it should be. So I've played the role of a terrorist. It does not mean that I'm supporting terrorism. It means the larger picture is the film is anti-terrorism. The director, Vicky Malhotra, he was very careful. There is a sequence where we're reading namaz.
Okay.
I am leading the Jamaat. He was very careful that, okay, we will rebuke terrorism, but we will not hurt religious sentiments.
Okay.
There's a scene where I don't...
Exactly, I want to add a point on this. That's you saying that it is not...
Manvi, I'm coming to you.
Listen to me. So, the end...
Why are you jumping in? I know.
No, because I want to clear you also. No, because you're wrong at this part.
Manvi Taneja wanted to respond to Mohammad Ali Shah. Manvi Taneja, please respond and also come in on your take on this Tandav controversy.
See, I truly believe that Tandav should not only
okay.
banned. I can't hear you. Others can hear you. I think you're having a bad network. Probably because you were too keen to interrupt me, that's why.
Okay, I think Manvi Taneja, we are losing you. Mohammad Ali Shah, go ahead. Complete your point.
So the director was very careful that he should not hurt religious sentiments. Your religious sentiments...
in the very first episode, we were drinking alcohol. They were diluting alcohol and they were drinking.
I respect the anchor. Go ahead, Manvi.
No, but one second, we've lost her. We've lost her.
Can you just explain me what was the end? Now, can you hear me? Can you hear me now?
Manvi, one second.
Can you hear me now?
Let me just come in here. Let's allow Manvi Taneja. We couldn't hear you earlier. Now, please go ahead. Complete your point. Yeah.
No, see, I just want to ask him that what was the end? What the end was? They were promoting the terrorism. Here they were trying to promote the terrorism. And if you
they were not promoting the terrorism. You try to understand.
So exactly, they were not trying to promote terrorism. Here, have you seen the first episode? Have you seen the first episode? He was not barefoot. He was not barefoot. He was on the stage, and he was not barefoot. He was wearing his shoes, and he was trying to use false language. He was trying to
One second. Is also joining us on the broadcast at this point. Manoj Kotak, what is your serious objections to the series Tandav? You've written a letter also to Prakash Javadekar, INB Minister. We're learning that Prakash Javadekar also has summoned certain officials of Amazon Prime. But today, Manoj Kotak, the latest development is कि जो cast and crew है, उन्होंने एक official statement जारी किया है, वो माफी मांग रहे हैं, वो कह रहे हैं कि ये एक fiction है और उनका intention नहीं था, उनका उद्देश्य नहीं था किसी के धार्मिक sentiments को hurt करने का. मनोज कोटा के statement को आप किस नजरिए से देखते हैं? And please elaborate on your serious objections on the basis of which you wrote this letter to the INB Minister.
See, there is a two part of my letter. One part is that there should be a regulatory authority on OTT platforms, because right now it's not regulated or censored. So anybody is, in the name of creativity and freedom, they are putting up such things which is again and again damaging, or you can say hurting the sentiments of the biggest part of this country.
Is also coming out now. Kapil Mishra of the BJP has called this series anti-Dalit as well. Mohammed.
I think about a month back or so, there was a proposal by the Information Broadcasting Ministry regularizing the OTT platform censorship over there. And once again, there was a debate, and I remember coming on panel, and I advocate the fact, yes, why not? Most welcome, it's a welcome step. There's no harm in making censorship for OTT as well. Now, as I mentioned earlier, that one should not hurt religious sentiments. That's it. Make whatever you want. No one's questioning you for anything. But the moment you involve a person's faith in it, people are touchy about it. But for filmmakers, that becomes a very green thing. Why? Because people who do not want to watch Tandav, as a lot of people are saying, they didn't find appealing. I will put it that way, they find appealing. Now people who do not want to watch it will go and watch it deliberately. Just like Satanic Verses. Satanic Verses is rubbish actually. Most unreadable book. But since it created that stir, that controversy, a lot of people went and read it, even though it was banned. So now that creates controversy to something which doesn't have content, because empty vessels make the loudest noise. We saw a shouting match just now, and I was very surprised, because if one has to analyze and think what I'm talking about, I'm saying I am not for the favor of promoting something which will which will end up hurting someone's religious beliefs. No, we should respect that. And I said that since I am a Muslim, I respect others' religion. I've served in the army. In the army, we have a served.
Okay, come in here. Payal Rodgi is also joining us at this point. Payal Rodgi, the latest statement coming in from Ali Abbas Zafar and of course the cast and crew is that they apologize. Their intention was not to hurt anyone's sentiments. They still claim this is a work of fiction. So it should be respected as that. And they're not going to cut any scenes, but they're apologizing for any sentiments hurt. Payal, your reaction?
Well, I think it's not going to be accepted, because Ali Abbas Zafar is not a 20-year-old who does not know that hurting the sentiments of Hindus has been going on since 70 years. Apology will be not accepted. They have to cut the scene. Freedom of speech does not mean you go on continuously targeting one religion. Ali Abbas Zafar, if he has so much of courage, he needs to kind of make films on halala, female genital mutilation, because these are some things which are synonymous with a religion with which he belongs to. So I am not going to be talking about people who are trying to say that they are not going to take the scene back. I think then the police should take appropriate steps, ban the web series or get it to follow certain norms and regulations if the INB ministry finds it worthy to ban it, because this is not the way you kind of deal you throw a thing out in the market and then you say, oh my God, I'm not going to apologize, I'm not going to take the scene back. Can he make a film which is related to his God? Can he even talk about something that happened in France where a beheading happened because the God in his religion, that God's caricature was made by a student? Can he even discuss that kind of thought process in a film under the pretext of freedom of speech? So this is not a joke. Enough is enough. You need to stop targeting Sanatan Dharam. You need to stop targeting the gods just because you want your project to come into news. And that is why I said this is a very bad strategy used by all these people. Just because they want their web series to come in news, they will talk about Bhagwan Ram, they will talk about Bhagwan Shiv. Any Ram Leela you see these kind of outfits? No. So don't try to target my religion. You target my religion, you face a a legal police complaint, an FIR, and face the consequences. And I think BJP needs to pull up their enough of the nonsense. They need to really censor such nonsense.
Faizan and Mohammed, 1 second. Faizan and Mohammed, 1 second. Let's make this discussion a bit orderly. Let's put our points one at a time. Payal Rodgi was making a point. We must allow her speech as well. You can disagree with it later. But I'll just come to you, Payal, in a second. Manoj Kotak, क्योंकि आप बीजेपी से हैं और बीजेपी की काफ़ी नेता भी इस वेब सीरीज़ के खिलाफ आ चुके हैं बाहर, मगर जो दूसरे पक्ष की राय है वो ये है कि क्रिएटिव लिबर्टी नाम की चीज़ की कोई जिम्मेदारी नहीं है क्या, कि अहमियत नहीं है क्या? क्रिएटिव लिबर्टी अगर फिल्म वालों को नहीं मिलेगा तो फिर किसको मिलेगा? मनोज साहब,
मैंने अपनी बात को बहुत अच्छे तरीके से रखा और आपके पैनलिस्ट भी बहुत अच्छे तरीके से इसको सुन ले, rather than debating at loud voice here. एक चीज को ध्यान में रखना चाहिए कि इस देश का एक कल्चरल फैब्रिक है और इस कल्चरल फैब्रिक को डैमेज न होने देना ये सरकार की जिम्मेवारी है.
Simple question to everybody on this panel. Will they make a movie or act in a movie or ask somebody to act in a movie or make in a movie ridiculing Prophet Muhammad? I ask a specific question. If the answer is yes, I'll take back all my arguments.
Mohammad Ali Shah, जवाब दीजिए.
I'll give a befitting reply to that, sir. Good question, I would say, from your perspective. But you know, why do we want to answer to you and to Payal both? Why do we want to get into water boundary? Why do we want to get into क्या वो ऐसा कर सकते हैं? When we are here, you have someone who is condemning the fact that why we should not hurt any religion, anyone, religious faith, anyone, irrespective. I just mentioned that. Which obviously goes to prove that you were not listening clearly to what I said. I said no.
That is why, Mr. Shah, that is why
Hinduism should be hurt. It's as simple as that, and we condemn it.
And now you even see a guy called as Sushant Singh, not the late Sushant Singh Rajput, a small-time actor who is a part of Anand L. Rai's film, and he's shooting that in Punjab.
Small-time actor. You don't say that about anyone. Come on, you cannot. Did anyone say you are a actor? No.
Okay. I take back that word. So this needs to stop because this is a systematic attack on one religion, which is supposedly the majority.
Mohammad Ali Shah.
So that is wrong.
Mohammad Ali Shah, and then I'll get in Faizan as well. Mohammad Ali Shah.
Well, with all due respect, you know, I had a different impression about you. I'm not being personal here, but I thought that you are of some substance. You're a computer engineer, and you know, I know about your IT connections, and I had a very high opinion about you rather earlier. Apart from the fact that I also perceived you to be having Islamophobia, and of course.
No, let's come back to the issue. Let's come back to the issue.
Right. If you would like to debate on the farmers' bill for another day, I know 3 laws by heart. I know the entire CA by heart. We can talk about it. I would love to take you on that, and I can challenge you.
No, the charge is why she raised. I'll tell you why she raised that charge. I'll tell you why she raised that charge, and we put it out on our screens as well. The charge being made is that this is a deliberate agenda. She's raised Sushant Singh and other actors who've been visiting the CA protests and Farmers Bill because she's saying that they peddle the same agenda in Bollywood through their work and their films as well. Because like others are also charging Zishan Ayub of doing the same, because remember, he's also someone who's a vocal critic of the government and he's been part of the CA protests. We can see his anti-CA posts, etc. So they believe it's a deliberate strategy that he's the one who's playing this particular character and he is in this scene. That's the context, Mohammed, for you. Go ahead.
So, while you being an actor, I thought you would know, you would be educated in the field that's saying that to the part, you can't hold an actor responsible for playing that part. It's the filmmaker, the writer, the maker who has done that. The actor has played his part to perfection. And I think you're only complimenting his craft as a craftsman, that he has managed to portray something so believable to you. And do you agree with me on that?
Yes, I agree that an actor's job is to enact a scene, enact a character, but actors are responsible Indian citizens also. These actors need to make sure that they are not a part of a project which obviously causes disharmony, communal disharmony. And here, the grief is not against just Zishan Ayub. The grief is against Ali Abbas Zafar, all the cast, the producer, because they are the people who have written the script and deliberately put a scene so as to bring their web series in.
You're contradicting your own statement now, Payal.
Pardon me?
You're contradicting your own self right now.
I am giving you example. No, I am giving you example of Zishan Ayub.
You are contradicting your own statement. You know what you're talking about.
No, is Deshan Ayub and Sushant Singh.
And how does Kangana get work? How does Kangana get work?
Kangana
Tell
is
me.
struggling to get work. Excuse me.
Oh, no. Let's not go there.
BJP and
Okay.
was very evident. I think till then she was
Okay.
established as an actress. She's talking about the Mahesh Bhatt now because she's supposed to talk about it.
Okay. Well, we're out of time. The Tandav, much Tandav. All I can say is at the end of the day is that there's much Tandav clearly about the web series Tandav. Which way does this story go? We'll only know in a matter of a few days from now. For now, I'm going to take a break. We're out of time. My thanks to our guests for joining us.